Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today's date is 6th August 2021. As you know, we are doing Chapter 6, My Food Habits. In today's class, we are going to recall the plants' food and animals' food. We have discussed about the plant food, the food that we get from the plants, and the food that we get from the animals. So today we are going to do a quick recap of the plant and animal food. So the learning outcome of today's class is students will be able to differentiate between plant food and animal food. So after learning the differences, you will be able to know that okay, fine, this food stuff comes from the plants and this particular food stuff comes from animals. So we have come to know that there are two sources of food. We get food from two particular sources, and these are, number one is food from plants and number two is food from animals. So food from plants, we get the cereals, then we get the pulses, fruits and vegetables, dry fruits and oils. So these are some of the things that we get from the plants. As you can see on the screen, these are cereals. Cereals like oats, rice, wheat, corn, barley, rye, millet. So all these belongs to the category of cereals, cereals, cereals. Then the pulses. Pulses, yellow moong dal, yellow chana dal, lentils which we call masoor dal, half moong khichdi, urad akha dal, urad dal, red beans, kabuli chana. So what are these? You eat ghugni, you eat rajma, you eat chole, so you eat dal, right? All these comes from the pulses. So this belongs to the category of the pulses. The moong dal, chana dal, kabuli chana, rajma, everything falls into the category of pulses. Then we have the fruits. So we have your apple, banana, orange, mango, grapes, pineapple, pomegranate, avocado, coconut, papaya, watermelon, strawberry. There are many more fruits available in the market. So these are only some of the items that I have shown you, and they belong to the category called fruits. Then we have the category called vegetables. Potato, tomato, brinjal, radish, onion, garlic, lady's finger, cauliflower, pumpkin, carrot, ginger and chili. So all these vegetables come from plants. So till now we have got cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables, and all this comes from plants. Then we come to the dry fruits. We have almonds, we have cashew nut, pistachio, walnuts, raisins, date palm. And you eat these nuts, especially when your mama makes kheer, okay? And also sometimes with some sweet dishes. So these dry fruits also comes from plants. Then we have the oils. If you look at the oils here, this oil is a sunflower oil. You can see the picture of sunflower here. So this oil comes from the sunflower seed. It is called sunflower oil. Here you can see in the second picture, the picture of a coconut. So this is the coconut oil. Coconut oil comes from coconut tree. Then we have the third one, the mustard seeds. And this is the mustard oil. Mustard oil comes from the mustard seed, and this seed comes from the mustard plant, right? So even the oils also, they comes from the plants, like olive oils as well. So all these oils comes from plants. So we have got so many types of categories of food which comes from plants: cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, dry fruits and oils. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about the food that we get from the animals. So from the animals we get milk, we get eggs, we get honey, we get meat, and we get fish, right? So these are some of the items we get from the animals. Now if you see especially the cow, you can see in the picture here the cow gives us milk, right? And then from the milk we can make many other things like curd, ghee, ice cream, butter, cream, so many things. But the main food item is the milk, which we get from the cow and cows, buffaloes, etc. So from the milk it can be made into different food items. Then we have the hen, you can say, or the chicken, right? The cock or the hen. So they gives us eggs. Eggs as well as give us meat like the chicken. Chicken curry, you eat chicken tandoori, chicken fried chicken, etc. So these are some of the things that we get from the cock or the hen or the chickens. Then we have as you can see, we have honey as well. Honey comes from the honeybees. They used to build the beehive, right? And from the hive we get the honey. Then meat. Meat, as I have already shown you, that we get from the hen or the cock, and another one we get from the goat, the mutton, right? And then also some of the people used to eat fish as well, which is a kind of food that comes from animals. So today we have got so many categories of food items that come from plants as well as from animals. So this is it. So try to learn the categories, as these are very important for your exam. So today I'm going to end the class with this discussion. Thank you.